PetrolPlaza is here at the Messe Stuttgart to cover UNITI Expo 2016. With only 2 years of history, this event has become the leading trade fair in Europe for the fuel retailing and car wash industries. Across 3 halls, visitors will be able to see the latest products and innovations of car wash, convenience and fuel retailing. 3 forums will present the latest concepts and ideas, and a very international crowd from over 100 countries certainly make this event very exciting. I'm here with Patrick Carré, General Manager of Shell Retail DACH. Patrick, how do you assess the UNITI show and what does a trade show like this mean for a company like Shell?
So the UNITI show for us really is one of the most important trade shows in my area, which is Germany, Austria, Switzerland, that we attend. And that is because the entire industry and more importantly our trade partners really are present. And it's an opportunity for us to showcase what we as Shell Retail stand for, what we have to offer, and of course an opportunity to talk with suppliers and some of our trade partners. So it's a great event and we always enjoy being here.
Certainly based on the first couple of days, I've been very impressed by not only about the number of attendees, but the regions that they've come from. Because we really need an international show to sort of justify, coming here. And I think UNITI is now establishing that brand recognition that we need, and there's enough exhibitors here that it makes it worthwhile for customers and distributors and other industry participants to come. So yeah, 2 thumbs up from me. It's been very successful.
From Implico's point of view, what would you say are the challenges for future gas stations?
Well, if you're a company running a gas station network, you have to prepare for the digital transformation. You have a lot of data running around, you get a lot of data, you see it all over here, but the main point is not only to get big data, but to transform those into value. So we are talking about smart data, so you really have to work with those data. You have to use them to automate your processes as much as possible. So you standardize your processes and you only work on exemptions and you only have to connect more. You're not alone in the world, so the gas station managers, hauliers, customers, they really have to connect, and those are the challenges of the future.
Yeah, I think big data is something that is very much interesting nowadays, and it's about collecting data from sensors that are already available on your forecourt, and how can you use that data from, let's say, from those sensors to improve the performance. Our canopy light has a motion sensor, and how can you use the data from that motion sensor to improve your business?
We are presenting for the first time our digitalized fuel card. So the aim is actually the customer will not have to go anymore and pay for his fuel with old-fashioned type of payment system, but we are actually going through the screen of the car. So it's an integrated system going straight to the cloud. So it's very innovative, and I think it's something that is relatively new in the industry as well.
How do you assess the general situation of the market? Is it in a positive moment?
I think it's a great moment. We are increasing incredibly our revenues each year, and it's really fantastic. I couldn't believe that in the last year we have grown so much, and I think it's a fantastic moment to create this exhibition.
We have the trend in the UK from automatic wash back to hand wash, which is a trend which is not good for our industry. On the other side, we have emerging countries covering up, so investing more in automatic car wash is changing maybe from hand wash to automatic car wash. And we also see the trend that, especially in Central Europe, people are more investing in higher features, in premium features, trying to offer their customers premium washes. So I think there are a couple of different trends which you really have to follow up and try to find the best ways and the best solutions and the best machines for these markets.
UNITI Expo 2016 has come to its end. During these 3 days, international exhibitors and visitors have shared the latest products, innovations and ideas. PetrolPlaza will be back in 2 years to bring you coverage of UNITI Expo 2018, which will take place here at the Messe Stuttgart.